Here are the materials you'll need for this project: cord and a 6mm crochet. Get started with a magic circle and chain 1 in your magic circle. Then you're going to want to make 6 single crochets in your magic circle. After you finish there, you're going to pull your tail tight, slip stitch to your first stitch, and chain 1. And then in every stitch, you're going to put 2 single crochets, doubling your stitch count. Once again, you're going to want to slip stitch to the first single crochet you made, chain 1, and begin in your first stitch. In your first stitch, you're going to put 2 single crochets. Then in the stitch after that, 1 single crochet. You're going to repeat that all the way around until you get back to the beginning of your round. Next, you're going to want to slip stitch your first stitch, chain 1. And then in your first stitch, you're going to put 2 single crochets. Then in the stitch after that, 1, and in the stitch after that, 1 single crochet. So you're going to repeat that all the way around. 2 single crochets, then 1 in the next 2. Your next round is pretty much the same thing. You're going to make 2 single crochets in the first stitch, then in the next 3 stitches, put 1 single crochet. Repeat that all the way around, and at the end of your work, slip stitch to the first stitch you made. Slip stitch to your first stitch, and then you can fasten off. And that's what your cup coaster should look like after you finish. I hope you had fun, and I will see you next time.